It's day 88 of trying to make 40k per month. By the end of 2024, I got COVID, bro. I got put out of the game for like a good 6-7 days. I've had the good leads come and fuck off because dumb reasons, man, dumb reasons. 'Cause I'm greedy. So now it's just back to the problem I'm having now is since I got sick, I got so fucking lazy. You can't really call me lazy because I was fucking gone. The problem is I need to get back in my workflow, you know? So that was what was my work routine like before? It was outreach, and then it was record a video, and then it was do this, do client work. I need to get back into that. I haven't been gym in like a week. I lost the weight. I'm fasting now. Like a lot is happening. We just gotta push through it, okay? So today we're gonna do 40 DMs, cold DMs, because I'm the king of cold DMs. No one can do cold DMs like me. If you guys want to know how to actually do cold DMs, let me know in the comments, because I'll teach you guys how to do cold DMs, because I'm a G when it comes to cold DMs. I'm getting the best qualified leads out there. I can show you guys how, all through Instagram. You don't need a big following. Literally the day after I recorded and posted my last YouTube video, I got sick. Like, it was horrible. I haven't gotten that sick in like 3 years. I just couldn't do any work, man.
I hope you guys don't fall. I'm on the same device I was using last time. The glove box and the tissue box and the phone. Right now, I'm going somewhere. Don't worry where I'm going. Don't ask too much questions. In life, you don't have to ask too much questions. When an opportunity arises from someone that doesn't give a lot of opportunities, don't ask too much questions. They're just giving you an opportunity, so take it. I did 31 cold DMs. Okay, see, we're back on track. We're back on track, we're back on the grind. We're gonna carry on the DMs, we're gonna close another client, we're gonna build a good qualified lead list. It's gonna be sweet. I didn't go university, I'm 19, in case you guys don't know. I did not go university, because fuck university, bro. Yeah, I had COVID, man, I think. I had COVID or the flu. I had the cold, they couldn't kill me, man. They take a vaccine? Absolutely fucking not. That's ridiculous. How can I take a vaccine? I remember they was trying to push it down on everyone's throats. And now what happened now? Where's the vaccine? Bond the vaccine, bro. It's day 88. 88 days and I've not made 40k? It's been 88 days. I was out of commission for a week. We're gonna continue doing what we're doing, which is building qualified lead lists of very good qualified leads, and then hopefully turning those leads into paying customers. Because I could have the best leads in the world, but at the end of the day, if none of them pay me, it means fuck all. It doesn't matter if you book 10 calls, no one gives a fuck. You can book 1,000,000 calls, but you didn't close anyone, so you're still a nobody. You can book 15 calls and you can post on your story, oh, book call. No one cares. You've made the money. You're still broke. No one cares.
If you guys genuinely want to know how to capture and nurture qualified leads solely off Instagram, leave a comment down below and I can make a video specifically on that. So you guys can actually start getting qualified leads instead of bulk DMing random people or you personalize your DM, but bro, no one cares, okay? These people ain't replying to you. Every day is a step into the right direction, or it can be a step into nowhere. You're standing like this, okay? We're walking, we're stepping. You have to walk 1 foot after the other, so make sure you're putting in that work, okay? Shit might not even be looking like it's working out, but don't worry. As long as you continue just fucking doing shit, you're getting closer to shit. Let's fucking go.